PileMedic is so effective that American military divers have put it to the test. This unique pile jackets is crafted to repair and strengthen piles, columns, and the like. Compared to its counterparts, PileMedic boasts up to 10 times more strength. Thanks to its special structure, it's easily bendable, even underwater. A reinforcing mortar is injected into the gap between the jacket and the column. Need more strength? There's ample room for reinforcement bars. PileMedic is easy to cut during the repair process, requires no special training, and can restore or enhance the column strength within 24 hours. We're looking at the construction of a sewage treatment system in the Scottish town of Biggar. It's proven to be a challenge, even for the UK's largest reinforced concrete manufacturer, FP McCann. The weather around the construction site can change drastically almost daily. Plus, Scotland is known for its humid climate. Traditional, monolithic structures aren't the best choice in this case. That's why FP McCann opted for a panelized structure, incorporating a patented panel-to-panel joint. This choice has brought passive pressure down to an acceptable level, and the use of special neoprene washers prevents damage from thermal movement. According to WPS Handrails, the frameless glass balustrade is a premium choice. With the FlexFit system, the glass remains perfectly level, as seen in this housing Devon. While the installers are at work, the company highlights the option to order a self-installation kit. The standard version includes 1.1 meters of hot, tempered and laminated glass, along with aluminum channels. Check out these construction crews putting in different decks. This team opts for AridDek, tackling two issues at once. He not only looks fantastic, but also comes with a building drainage system. Craftsmen going for craft builds have a neat surprise for customers too. This aluminum decking is entirely waterproof, so no need for a membrane underneath. Just to be sure, each decking plank has a drainage gutter, and these experts are installing an aluminum deck Canada frame paired with the aluminum planks. It creates a structure that stays 20% cooler than wood on scorching summer days. Let's explore the world of construction tech, starting in Hungary, where they came up with more than just the Rubik's Cube. We're talking about PLATIO solar panels, covering 80 square meters of sidewalk. With these panels, can generate around 11.7 kilowatts of electricity. That's tough. Perfect for bike parts and parking lots, and is easy to install as regular paper. PLATIO goes green by using recycled plastic waste. About 400 plastic bottles go into making one panel. No need to worry about the heat either. Even on sunny days, these panels stay as cool as regular pavers or concrete. According to the company, dirt and construction debris tend to clog sewer and drainage systems, risking sewage leaks during road repairs. To prevent this, UK-based company Drain First offers the MuckStopper system. The RS400 model, weighing 10 kilograms, can handle up to 100 kilograms of trash and dirt. After installation, the construction crew simply needs to periodically empty the removable waste section, eliminating the need to call a drain cleaning service after renovation and construction work. Back in Canada, local specialists hope to impress us with Novabrik. This system lets you create a decorative facade resembling tiles, stone, or brick. Novabrik's key feature is that its blocks are connected without mortar. They're just stacked on top of each other, almost like Lego, and then secured with screws every fourth course. These blocks can be used in construction, works year-round and pairs seamlessly with load-bearing structures of various materials, from bricks to SCP panels. Vendors claim the Novabrik facade can endure for over 50 years, which is no surprise, since Novabrik is made of concrete. EverPanel modular wall panels are user-friendly. Just two people can put up a 30.5 meter wall in half an hour, meaning that a small team can build entire offices from scratch in a single day. The US manufacturer suggests kicking off with a 3D plan of the future construction site. No need for specialized construction, no house or tools. Panels are linked and unlinked manually, with the basic version starting at 1.5 meters in width and height. If plain white panels aren't your thing, spice it up with options like pink, orange, and other vibrant colors. The shore wall system is the new look and way of building, retaining walls, as explained by its New Zealand creators. It works well for walls up to 1 meter high, and with its robust steel elements, can be 1/3 the thickness of traditional wooden retaining walls. Builders can easily create precise 90-degree corners and flexible 15-degree bends. The Swiss company, Blumer Lehmann keeps up with the times, offering modular wood construction projects. Take for instance the Into the Woods pavilion, adorning the Swiss embassy's garden in Copenhagen. Experts from Blumer Lehmann, with the help of other teams, put together 3 unique trees, each made up of 18 elements, to ensure stability. Steel tubes were inserted into the trunks, also adding in drainage. These tree tops feature textile membranes. These projects by Blumer Lehmann are a hit, so much so that even the Swedish King Carl XVI Gustaf inaugurated one of them. The core idea of sustainable construction is simple: construct buildings that stay cost-effective throughout their life cycle. The Canadian company Plax Building Systems is already paving the way for this sustainable future. They've developed building blocks crafted from 90% waste, including plaster, plastic concrete, and other discarded materials. The creators claim that their blocks are sturdier than traditional bricks and concrete, plus they make the construction process 3 times faster and at least 35% cheaper because craftsmen don't need mortar. This means that even people with minimal experience can put up top-notch buildings and structures. The initial production will kick off in Canada, with future plans to establish a global. BMI holds the title of Europe's biggest roofing materials manufacturer, and their roofing membrane is quite a notable product. Firstly, it works for new and old roofs, including vegetated roofs. Secondly, you can lay the membrane any time of the year. Thirdly, it doesn't need open fire during installation, making it safer. And lastly, this membrane lasts around 35 years. It's crafted from a mix of fiberglass and PVC-P. Back in 2015, there were over 20.3 million elevators worldwide, keeping the folks at Clark Builders pretty busy. They specialize in setting up prefabricated elevator shafts. For example, in this video, Meg Creek shafts are being installed at a senior center in High River, Canada. These shafts stand out for their impressive 2R fire resistance, and this video showcases the stock shafts, reaching up to 6 stories. The standard version comes with walls up to 140 millimeters thick, but you can customize it as required. Moving on, we have a product from the international company HAHN Plastics Limited, known for recycling plastic to make these grids and other items. The grid's much lighter than concrete. Ones weigh around 9 kilograms each. That's dirty enough for use in parking lots or warehouses, even supporting the weight of a loaded car carrier. Paired with a drainage layer, these grids efficiently handle rainwater and mud, making them a solid choice for farmers and horse breeders. What's more, these grids won't rust or crack in the cold, and when their time is up, they can be recycled. Now let's head to Greece, where Elval Color produces these composite panels, known as Etalbond. They're like a sandwich, made of special infill coated with aluminum sheets, and the infill can be tailored based on the customer's needs, including a non-combustible option, as Etalbond panels can be treated to imitate stone, wood, and other materials. Each panel can stretch up to 11 meters, making them versatile for anything from private homes to railroad stations, resistant to UV rays, dirt salts, acids, and alkalis. These panels are described on the manufacturer's website as a technically advanced and unique product. What do you think? Excessive city noise is a global environmental concern, as highlighted by UN experts in a report from last year. That's where acoustic panels from German company Canal Ceiling Solutions come into play as a highly relevant solution. These panels, made from wood fiber, offer sound absorption of up to 55 decibels. The front surface is primed and ready for painting, with a maximum board length of 2.4 meters. The company can tailor the panels to meet customer needs, and it's no surprise that these boards are even installed at the London School of Economics and Political Science. Another team of German experts demonstrate fence installation, covering crucial points and showcasing the process in just 6.5 minutes. They provide meticulous details, including the size of the wrench needed for tightening screws. According to these experts, with such comprehensive video instructions, even an amateur can build a high-quality fence. Our lineup concludes with Heradesign, a modular pool from a French company. Unlike typical pools, this one is constructed from modules. The 10 square meter version is priced at around $800, and it comes with all the necessary components, including the pump. The panels are crafted from synthetic resin, which in its turn is made from recycled waste, like yogurt cups. If this specific pool model isn't your preference, no worries, the manufacturer has over 6,000 different components in its catalog to help you create the pool of your dreams. Now let's talk about a couple of power-related projects. The first one's in Germany, where workers are installing a cable designed for 110 kilovolts of voltage. This cable will connect several substations, supporting the network's further expansion. This comes in handy, as there are quite a few large factories nearby, like the Mitsubishi paper factory in Flensburg. The second project will enhance energy exchange between Germany and Norway. The Norderling green cables enable Germany to deliver energy from wind turbines, while Norway benefits from hydroelectric installations. Thanks to this project, around 3.6 million households can now be supplied. Meet SubPro, an innovative module that streamlines and speeds up construction, while the video provides a practical guide on working with SubPro. Let's delve into its key features. Crafted from recycled plastic, these modules come in 4 heights, ranging from 16 to 30 cm. They're stackable, allowing for height adjustments up to 60 cm. Working with SubPro is a breeze, thanks to the inclusion of spaces. The design is optimized to prevent water and concrete penetration during pouring. With just a team of 2, carrying and laying the modules becomes a simple task. The finished floor ends up 40% lighter compared to a classic floor. Many buildings, especially older ones, often deal with damp basements or water accumulation. In such cases, unpleasant odors and mold are the least of the worries. According to the creator of VEINAL, this technology efficiently eliminates excess water in just a day or 2. The process involves drilling channels, followed by injecting a mixture of silicone resins through them. Once cured, it forms a barrier preventing moisture penetration with a 99% success rate. Thanks to VEINAL, owners of various properties, from private homes to churches, can now sleep soundly. Italy frequently makes headlines, not just for its soccer players and sports cars, but also for Rockfalls last year. A rockfall led to the closure of both a highway and a railroad near the French border. It only addresses this natural threat by installing advanced protective systems, such as the RXC barriers. These barriers can hold up to 25 tons of speeds, around 100 kilometers per hour. What's impressive is their adjustable length, tailored to fit specific projects, often extending beyond 100 meters. The RXC arrives partially assembled, making installation quicker and more straightforward than many competitors. China is set to invest around $13 trillion on buildings by 2030, and these robots play a key role in ensuring that every bit of this massive investment is used efficiently. Even basic-level robotic assistants can independently check meter data, equipment temperature, switch positions, and other parameters. More advanced versions with manipulators can troubleshoot on their own, making construction sites safer. Builders can have confidence that all necessary equipment is inspected and ready for work. Beyond construction, these robots prove valuable for electricians, mechanics, oil field workers, and various other professionals. ASAC is recognized as Norway's top supplier of concrete products. Including these retaining walls, they drew significant attention during the ASAC factory's open day in 2017, and there are a few reasons behind it. Firstly, ASAC is patented interlocking system. Secondly, the blocks are sized at 120 by 60 by 90 cm, allowing for quicker wall construction compared to many competitors. Lastly, the assembled walls seamlessly blends into the landscape, with 10 designs inspired by Norway's nature. The Irish company, Kingspan Group, is in the business of upgrading roofs. They have approximately 210 factories, where they manufacture Unidek Aero light panels. It might sound simple, polystyrene foam with stiffening ribs, yet these panels are incredibly versatile and can be installed at angles of up to 70 degrees. They seamlessly pair with different materials, from tile to slate, and make it easy to incorporate dormer windows. Moreover, the panels boast a noise insulation index of 36 decibels. For quicker installation, the company provides specially designed self-drilling screws. The American company's StormTrap has something noteworthy to share. They offer top-notch solutions for wastewater control, and their projects in Illinois speak volumes. In one location, StormTrap designed a system capable of storing about 560 cubic meters of water. Another more robust system in the same state boasts a whopping capacity of 25,000 cubic meters. Naturally, the company is geared up to handle filtration off the collected water and ensure its even drainage into the soil, whether in an industrial zone or a park. The outcomes are excellent. Gate Precast, also based in the USA, specializes in reinforced concrete and has a notable product to offer. This success story involves a groundbreaking facade system named GateLite, touted to change the industry. What sets it apart is its user-friendly installation. The system's panels come pre-assembled, making it a straightforward task for workers to put them together, like a giant construction kit. This approach ensures reliable protection with reinforced concrete for the facades. Thanks to their multi-layer structure, these panels also deliver air, thermal, and vapor insulation. Notable projects featuring GateLite include the well-known Ransom Everglades Private School and a 264-bed hospital. The folks at Heliatek, a German company in the solar cell business, promise limitless, clean and green electricity everywhere. They're doing so well that they regularly break efficiency records. Heliatek's organic photovoltaic film in particular has hit an efficiency of 13.2%. For the 120 panels of this film, a warehouse can churn out about 700 kilowatt hours of electricity annually, and the panels are lighter, thinner, and more flexible than the competition, making them a breeze to install. Often, all you need is some glue. Heliatek also points out that 98% of the world's roofs are not used for solar power generation yet. The chimneys from Build-Up, strays out of the Czech Republic, bring the manufacturer's concrete expertise into play. Assembling Build-Up is a straightforward process, involving just 3 components: blocks, insulation, and ceramic inserts. The blocks come in a standard size of 40 by 40 by 25 cm. This is so easy to use. The customers can even build the chimneys themselves if they prefer. Compared to traditional brick counterparts, Build-Up is notably lighter. The company claims the material used for the blocks is unparalleled in Central Europe. Our final highlight today is the Carboned system. This Italian form work is the perfect choice when the way to the building is crucial, and it's been especially designed for earthquake-resistant structures. Crafted from polystyrene foam, the formwork blocks are easily transportable on site and can be installed without tools or mortar. Alongside the blocks, only plastic spaces are required. The Carboned system significantly enhances the heat and sound insulation of the upcoming building. This not only helps future owners save on heating costs,